Hey Momshies, how are you? Yesterday we went to the blueberry bushes to pick some blueberries, and today I will make a blueberry smoothie bowl for our breakfast. But before that, I will show you our shenanigans during the picking of the blueberries. Enjoy!
Just the blue ones. Come on, Callie, let's pick blueberries. Yeah. Yeah, pick the blue one. Where's the blue one? Blue, not that. That's red and pink. This is the blue. Here, pick this one. Oh no. Here, pick this one. Good job. What about this one too? Just this color, the same color. One. Oh, put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Yay. Oop. Drop. No, not that one. We don't pick the pink one. Here. See? There's a lot. Put this in the plastic bag. Put that in the plastic bag.
What?
Yeah, the blue one. I'll put it in here. Put it in the plastic bag.
Pop.
Good job.
Big. 1, 2, 3.
Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it in the plastic bag. What do you call it? Get the blue one. Get the blue one.
Uh-oh. Broken. Blueberry.
This is blueberry. Can you say it?
Bay.
Bay.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh?
I said I could do this.
Me too.
Grow blueberry bushes and sell them. Be a blueberry man. Plus, I like blueberries too.
Yep, I know that. And Callie likes blueberries too. I think he got it from you. Oop! I dropped it, Callie. I dropped the blueberry. Wait, Dada, you step on my blueberry. This is the blueberries that we picked. This one was picked by David. We did a mini contest on who picked the most blueberries. This one was mine and Callie's. We are in the second place, and this one was my father-in-law's. So let's start making blueberries smoothie bowl. Let's start with banana. Next, the blueberries. Add milk. And blend. And we're done. Kidding. I added more blueberries and bananas so I can get the consistency I want. FYI, I'm supposed to add plain yogurt as well, but we are in the middle of pandemic and we ran out plain yogurt and we haven't gone to the grocery yet. In here, I'm putting oatmeal in bowls because I failed to get the consistency I want. So to make it look like it's thick, I just added oatmeal. And I'm trying to cover the oatmeal with blueberry smoothie. Then I top it with blueberries, banana, granola, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and chia seeds. I'm trying to slice the banana in equal parts because that is our last banana. And yes, I am running out of granola too. And there you go, my fresh from the bushes blueberries in smoothie bowls. Try this at home for your kiddos and hubby and let me know if you like it. This has been Kalishenanigans, your favorite family vibe. Don't forget to subscribe. You have a great day. Make good choices. Bye.